We'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in slightly positive MACD and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. And as we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we still remain in negative MACD. We're about to see signs of a converge, and as we extend out once more onto the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD, and we failed to close above the 200 moving average, this green line currently at the price of $1,851. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $167.97, and that is this range here, which is fairly close to where we have the closing price of back in November 27th. My sell target for it is at $174.23, and my stop loss is at $166.30. However, if I were to enter a short position, my entry price is at $177.07, and my sell target for it is at $169.67. My stop loss is at $178.83. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trading ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 38% chance for gold futures to climb between 0 to 2.6%, and to the downside a 63% chance for gold futures to fall between 0 to negative 2.6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.